Hi guys, I'm going to replace a motherboard HP Omen 15 8th generation GTX 1060. So the one in the front is motherboard liquid damage, then the one at the back is physical damage. Then we're gonna switch the good motherboard. So this is the working board, but it's physical damage. Now let's remove the back cover. Just pull up like that. Then let's remove the screws of the battery. Then lift it up. Then let's remove all the cables and remove screws from the exhaust cover and start removing the screws and do the same on the other side. Now remove the exhaust, then the fan cover, and then put it aside. Then remove the other side fan cover, then pull up the exhaust, then remove the cables of speaker and I/O, then pull up. There's two cables there, just do pull up. Do the same thing on the other one, just pull up, just like that. Then the Wi-Fi, remove the Wi-Fi, and then remove the fan cable and the adapter cable next to it. Then remove the screws, fan screws. Do the same the other side. Remove the motherboard screws and remove the heatsink screws. Then lift up the heatsink, then put it aside. Now remove the LCD cable and the motherboard. Just put it aside, guys. So this is the motherboard, guys, and the back of it. So you're gonna see some burn, liquid damage. So that's the part of it. So this is the non-working liquid damage motherboard. So that's the one I'm pointing, guys. This is the one I'm pointing, the liquid damage. Some of it is burned. So non-working board liquid damage. So follow the same steps, guys. Working laptop physical damage. Working laptop physical damage. So remove the motherboard from the working laptop. So yeah, this is the one, guys. So both boards side by side. So this is the other one, the one good motherboard. So we're putting it the paste. Let's remove the old thermal paste using the alcohol. Make sure is nothing left there. Then remove all thermal paste from the. Now applying new thermal paste and heatsink installed. Continues installing rest of the parts. Now install the NVMe SSD. Just put the screw back. Now let's put it back the batteries and the hard drive. Connect its DD cable